In a motorcycle world dominated for decades by Japanese giants and European legends, few would have predicted the rise of a new challenger, a machine crafted not merely to compete, but to redefine the standards of what a mid-weight sport bike can be. This is the story of the 2025 CFMoto 450SR-S, and this is Acer Rider. The beginning of something big, CFMoto is no stranger to ambition. Over the years, they've steadily built a reputation for rugged reliability and remarkable value. But with the new 450SR-S, they've set their sights higher, much higher. This isn't just another small displacement bike. This is a machine born from a passion for speed, precision, and pure riding emotion. A machine designed to challenge perceptions and ignite a new generation of riders. The beating heart. At the core of the 450SR-S lies a meticulously engineered 449.5 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. But this isn't your typical twin. Thanks to its 270-degree crankshaft configuration, the engine delivers a power pulse and character that feels remarkably close to a V-twin, offering both high-end excitement and low-end torque. Power peaks at 34.5 kilowatts, or roughly 46 horsepower, at a lively 9,250 revolutions per minute. Torque tops out at a satisfying 39.3 newton meters at 7,750 RPM, providing a muscular mid-range that makes real-world riding more thrilling than the spec sheet suggests. This isn't just about numbers, it's about feel. It's about an engine that responds to your right hand, not just with power, but with soul. Sculpted for precision, the chassis of the 450SR-S is a work of focus and discipline. An ultra-lightweight steel frame provides the skeleton. A 37mm USD fork by KYB offers fully adjustable compression and rebound damping, ensuring precise control whether carving canyons or attacking a racetrack. At the rear, a monoshock with preload adjustment works in harmony with the frame's sharp geometry to deliver stability at high speeds and a planted feel through the corners. CFMoto didn't just want the 450SR-S to look fast, they wanted it to be fast. And they achieved it with razor-sharp agility and a natural, intuitive riding posture that invites you to push harder with every twist of the wrist. Stopping power you can trust performance without control is meaningless, which is why CFMoto outfitted the 450SR-S with some serious stopping power. Up front, a Brembo M40 radial mount caliper clamps onto a 320mm floating disc. Out back, a twin-piston caliper grips a 240mm disc. Together with Bosch dual-channel ABS, these brakes offer powerful, progressive stopping with the confidence to brake deeper into corners without fear. In a category where compromises are often made, the 450SR-S offers no apologies. Technology meets passion. Step into the cockpit and you're greeted by a vibrant 5-inch TFT full-color display packed with information and features. Bluetooth connectivity keeps you linked to your smartphone, while a built-in navigation function ensures you'll never lose your way on those backroad adventures. The 450SR-S also comes standard with a bidirectional quick shifter. Rare at this price point, allowing for lightning-fast upshifts and effortless downshifts without touching the clutch lever. Add in a factory-installed tire pressure monitoring system, and you realize this isn't just a bike built for the road, it's a bike built for tomorrow. A design that dares to dream visually, the 450SR-S is nothing short of stunning. Its sharp aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for show. It's wind tunnel tested for maximum efficiency, helping reduce drag and increase high-speed stability. Twin LED projector headlights slice through the night, while the aerodynamic winglets on the fairings don't just look menacing. They help keep the front end planted at speed. Every curve, every edge, every surface has been carefully sculpted to create not just a motorcycle, but a piece of rolling art. The ergonomics balance comfort and aggression beautifully. A 795mm seat height welcomes a wide range of riders, while a slight forward lean hints at the bike's sporting intentions without punishing your wrists on longer rides. At a wet weight, a surprise for the true enthusiasts. And now for those who have stayed with us until the end, we have something special to share. CFMoto has announced a 450SR-S World Champion Edition, a tribute to the brand's growing success on the global racing stage. This limited edition features exclusive racing liveries, carbon fiber accents, and a commemorative numbered plate. Only a few thousand will be produced worldwide, making it not just a motorcycle, but a collector's dream, a symbol of victory, a symbol of a future where CFMoto no longer follows. It leads. The 2025 CFMoto 450SR-S isn't just another motorcycle release. It's a revolution on two wheels, a promise that the best days of motorcycling are not behind us, but right in front of us. Thank you for riding along with Acer Rider. Don't forget to subscribe because this journey is just getting started. Until next time, ride free, ride fearless, and ride with passion.